Thank you for choosing Healthcare Logistics as a part of your storage solution. In this video, we're going to show you how to assemble an easy shelving and double-sided shelving unit. To demonstrate, we'll use a double-sided easy shelving unit. Before assembling your shelving unit, it is recommended that you have a partner assist with some assembly and lifting. Also, familiarize yourself with all the parts and check to make sure you have the following: shelving boards, center divider panel, front of top panel, front of bottom panel, 2 toe panels, front of left side panel, front of right side panel, shelf hole covers, back shelf pins, and front shelf blocks. Fitting toggles are shipped in a secure position. Flip the toggles to the up position to unlock before you start assembly. Assemble a toe panel to the bottom panel by aligning the holes and setting the toe panel in place. Press the 2 fitting toggles down to lock the toe panel in place. Lay the center divider down with the label side facing up. With a helper, turn the center divider onto its side. Attach the bottom panel to the center divider. Press the 3 fitting toggles down to secure. Attach the top panel to the center divider opposite the toe panel bottom. Press the 3 toggle fittings down to secure. Attach the left side panel to the center divider. Trick: lay the left side panel down with the label facing up. Lift the center divider. Tilt on its side, and align the fitting toggles with the left side panel's pre-drilled holes. Press the fitting toggles down on the center divider on both sides, opposite ends. Take the right side panel and lay on top of the center divider with the label facing down. Align the fitting toggles with the right side's pre-drilled holes. Press the fitting toggles down on the center divider and opposite end. Take a moment and make sure all the fitting toggles are pressed down before moving on. With a helper, move the unit upright with the toe panels on the floor. Decide the positioning of your shelves. Each shelf is adjustable in 1 1/4 inch or 32 millimeter increments. Insert the clear plastic shelf pins in the back holes at your desired height. Insert the front white shelf blocks into the front shelf holes. Be aware that once you push a shelf onto a shelf block, the block cannot be removed from the shelf without causing damage to the shelf hole. Tighten with a Phillips screwdriver. Do the same on the opposite side. Decide if you want the lip of the shelf to face up or down. Position a shelf on the clear back shelf pins. Make sure the white front shelf blocks line up with the holes in the shelf and lightly tap on the front of the shelf to slide onto the blocks. Shelves can be tilted up or down by using a different level of holes in the back. To finish, place the shelf hole covers over the holes. We hope you find these instructions helpful. If so, please click the like button. Also, click on subscribe and alerts to notify you when a new video is posted.